Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. And this session, we will be discussing about an essential aspect of PhD research, that is conducting effective literature review search. You may agree with me, as a PhD, you will need to navigate through a vast sea of scientific knowledge to establish a very important foundation of your research. So let's dive in and explore the key steps and strategies for conducting a thorough and effective literature of review search. The number one point which is very significant is understanding the purpose of literature review. A literature review serves multiple purposes in the PhD research. For example, it helps you to understand the existing knowledge in your research field, identify the research gap and unanswered questions. Additionally, it helps us to build a theoretical framework for our study. It could help you to validate the significance and originality of your research proposal. Moreover, it also helps us in identifying the potential protocols, methodologies, and approach. And also it helps us in avoiding duplicating the previous work. Now, the second thing which is important is defining your research scope and objective. So before diving into the literature, it is crucial to define the scope and objective of your research. Ask yourself, what specific question am I trying to answer related to this research? What are the key concepts, variables, and theories I need to explore? Are there any time frames or geographical region I should focus on? Defining these parameters will help you to narrow down your literature search and save your time. To ensure a comprehensive literature review, it is important to use a variety of sources. Consider these steps. Try to utilize the academic databases. Explore databases like PubMed, Web of Science, Scopus, etc., which are specific to our scientific discipline. Try to utilize search engines like Google Scholar, which is a powerful tool to find out both published and grey literature. You must also use relevant keywords while searching for the relevant papers. Brainstorm the keywords related to your research topic and use them in your search queries. Try to apply inclusion and exclusion criteria. Carefully evaluate the search result to include studies that align with your research objective and exclude the irrelevant one. Reading, analyzing, and synthesizing literature is also very important. After identifying the relevant literature, it's time to read, analyze, and synthesize the information effectively. So here are some tips. Skim read initially. Get an overview of each article to determine its relevance. Take an organized note. Use citation management tools like EndNote, Mendeley, and note-taking techniques such as annotation, summarization to keep track of your important details. Try to identify the patterns and trends. Look for the recurring themes, conflicting findings, and evolving perspective. Try to identify the knowledge gap, controversy, and emerging areas of interest. Moreover, try to critically evaluate and citing the source. As a PhD student, it is crucial to critically evaluate the sources you cite. Consider these factors: authority and credibility. Assess the reputation authors, journal, and institution publishing the work. Methodology rigors. Evaluate the research design, sample size, and statistical analysis method employed. Relevance. Prefer recent publication, but you can also refer to the seminal work in your field. Don't forget to ensure about the ethical consideration. Look into that also. So in summary, I would suggest try to collect and read the relevant review of literatures. Give more emphasis on the abstract. Do the selective reading. Try to do the note making. Try to explore, grow, and utilize this scientific information for your research work. Thank you for watching.